How much does estate planning cost in New York? It really depends. Of course, it runs the gamut. If you're going to a big firm, even a simple estate plan may cost you as much as $15,000. If you're going to a smaller firm and if it is based in a county and not in Manhattan, you're typically going to get rates of about at least 4,000 and up. We're talking about trust planning. This is an area you have to be very careful about because the worst thing you want to do is be penny wise and pound foolish. You don't want to lose the forest for the trees, right? You want to take a big picture approach. This is about planning your wealth to protect it, to potentially mitigate taxes, to potentially avoid creditor reach, to do things in a smart way with your wealth. This is an area where you want to make sure you're working with a professional who knows what they're talking about, because if you're looking to penny pinch, typically you get what you pay for. When we're talking about estate planning and costs, of course you have to be conscientious, do your due diligence, but you have to be mindful of what it costs not to do estate planning. So for example, if you have Medicaid and you have a home, be mindful that there will be a recovery and your kids will not get that home if you don't do proper estate planning. Or if you haven't engaged an elder attorney to help you as you're nearing retirement age, if God forbid you end up in a nursing home, you have to be mindful that the average nursing home in New York costs $16,000 a month. And that is the same about for 24-hour home care if you're private paying.